Have you ever wondered what the greatest minds in history had to say about relationships? Let's travel back to the 16th century, to the court of Queen Elizabeth I. Among her advisors was Sir Francis Bacon, a philosopher known for his wisdom. He once wrote, "A faithful friend is the medicine of life." This simple yet profound advice highlights the importance of trust and loyalty in relationships. But how do we apply such wisdom in our modern lives? Hello, everyone. This is Morgan Lennon. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a timeless topic, the best relationship advice ever given. Whether it's advice from historical figures like Sir Francis Bacon or wisdom passed down through generations, understanding and nurturing our relationships is key to a fulfilling life. Let me share a personal story. When I was younger, my grandmother told me, "Always communicate with kindness, even when you're angry." At the time, it seemed simple. But as I grew older, I realized how powerful this advice was. In the heat of an argument, it's easy to say things we don't mean. But by choosing our words carefully, we can avoid unnecessary hurt and build stronger bonds. Consider the story of Nelson Mandela and Winnie Mandela. Despite their tumultuous relationship and eventual separation, Nelson Mandela's words, "If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy. Then he becomes your partner," reflect a profound understanding of forgiveness and collaboration in any relationship. So what practical advice can we take from these examples? Here are 5 key pieces of relationship advice that can transform your connections with others. Communicate openly and honestly. Always strive for clear and honest communication. This builds trust and prevents misunderstandings. Practice empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes. Understanding their perspective can diffuse tension and foster compassion. Show appreciation. Regularly express gratitude and appreciation. It reinforces positive feelings and shows you value the other person. Set healthy boundaries. Establishing boundaries is crucial. It ensures mutual respect and allows both parties to feel secure. Prioritize quality time. In our busy lives, it's easy to neglect spending quality time with loved ones. Make an effort to connect and engage meaningfully. Now, let's talk about actionable steps you can take to implement this advice. Daily check-ins. Take a few minutes each day to check in with your partner or loved one. Ask about their day and share yours. Listen actively. When having a conversation, really listen. Put away distractions and focus on what the other person is saying. Express feelings. Clearly, use I statements to express your feelings without blaming or accusing. For example, "I feel upset when." Plan date nights. Schedule regular date nights or special activities. It keeps the relationship fun and exciting. Practice patience. Relationships can be challenging. Practice patience and remember that growth takes time. Remember, the quality of your relationships profoundly impacts your happiness and well-being. By applying these timeless pieces of advice, you can build stronger, more fulfilling connections with those around you. So what's the best relationship advice you've ever received? Share it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. Take action today. Communicate with kindness, show appreciation, and invest in your relationships. Together, let's create a world where every connection is meaningful and every relationship thrives. Thanks for watching our video. For more information and tips, please subscribe our channel.